We've taken the cabinetry out of the V-Berth on purple galvanule, and now we're going to attempt to recreate the unit. So this is the unit here. Has taken out plywood's in pretty bad shape here, and we've got a lot of delamination going on. So we're going to recreate this piece forward face and both sides forward and aft, and maintain the original hardware here, which will be reinserted into the new box. So that's our project today. We don't have transportation today to get to either Lowe's or Home Depot, not by vehicle, but we have a bus. So we're going to be carrying plywood on a bus. Well, we just picked up all our wood from Lowe's. Now we have to get it back. The only way to do that is by bus, since we don't have a car right now. So this is as far as the cart goes. Now we carry wood the rest of the way. Before attaining nirvana, one must carry wood and cross water.
There's the bridge.
To attain true nirvana, one must utilize all resources that are available to one. In this case, Target parking lot provides carriage after Lowe's. We will take this carriage as far as we can. I'm still not sure if we'll find nirvana,
But at least we'll find purple galvanule.
and the bus stop. So we've made it onto the bus with all of our plywood, and we're working our way back.
You ever seen that?
So we took the bus back as close as we could get back to our street. Now we have to carry the plywood to Purple Galvanule. Okay, we've made it back to the house, and here are the 3 boards that are going to replace the cabinet. Okay, left, front, face, right. Let's get to work. we're done. Here's the finished cabinet. I've successfully taken the old one, made a copy of the sides and front, and inserted the sliders in from the old cabinet. And here we go. This is the whole new unit. Look at that. So the new shelf is complete in the forward V-Berth. We've taken out the old one, as you saw in the time lapse, and I fashioned a new face frame. Besides the hanging locker, the plywood that was purchased was also used to repair a couple of panels in the galley that had rotted out under the sink. So I've created these two panels here out of birch veneer plywood, painted, rolled to give a nice smooth laminate finish. Ultimately, we'll have the whole kitchen in this cream color.